Hi, I'm Natalie, and I'm excited to show you around Longwood Preserve, a new Ryan Homes community coming soon to Kennett Square. Located less than a mile from world-famous Longwood Gardens, the community offers spacious townhomes with finished basements. You'll have the upscale features you expect, like granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. And if you don't love climbing stairs, you can choose a floor plan with a first floor owner suite. These roomy carriage homes truly feel like single-family homes with up to 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, a finished basement, 2-car garage, and lots of storage space. At Longwood Preserve, the low-maintenance lifestyle includes lawn care so you can retire your mower. Plus, a brand new home won't require repairs and renovations like older homes do. You'll enjoy peace of mind that comes with a 10-year structural warranty. Neighbors will become friends at the community tot lot and walking trails. And there's a planned trail that heads right into downtown Kennett Square. Enjoy a special occasion at Tallulah's Table or enjoy live music at the Creamery. Longwood Preserve's location makes it easy to get anywhere in the region. Catch a Phillies or an Eagles game or take an easy day trip to Baltimore or Washington, D.C. Our model home is almost ready and we can't wait to show it off. Join the Longwood Preserve VIP list today and we'll be sure to send you exclusive community updates and information.